Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we will see how to make mutton in Goan style, that is called as Goan shakuti. So for this I am taking here 1 kg of mutton that is very well washed, salt, 1 tablespoon of turmeric and 2 tablespoon of red chili powder. Mix together everything so that the mutton pieces are very well coated with the masalas. After mixing, we will keep this for marination for around 1 to 2 hours. Now we will see how to make the shakuti masala. For that I am taking here 2 cups of grated coconut, 1 teaspoon of jeera, 1 inch dalchini, half teaspoon methi seeds, 1 ilaichi, 6 to 7 cloves, half teaspoon of tagad ful, 6 to 7 strands of javitri, 1 star anise, 8 to 10 pepper, half badi ilaichi, 1 teaspoon of khaskhas, 1.5 inch of ginger, 15 to 20 garlic cloves. I have taken here coriander stems which we usually throw out, but it gives very good flavor in this dish. 1 medium onion and 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds. So now we will dry roast all the dry masalas first. So we will nicely roast it for 1 to 2 minutes till the masala starts giving nice smell. You can check the description box below for the list of all the khada masala. So take it in a bowl and let it cool completely before grinding. In the same pan, take 1 tablespoon of oil. To this, we will add one by one the garlic cloves, roughly chop the ginger before adding, the coriander stems and the onion. Nicely give it a stir. We need to roast it for around 5 to 6 minutes or till the onion gets slightly golden brown. In the similar way, we will also roast the coconut. Roast it till it leaves the sides of the pan. No need to make it brown. Here you can see it is very well nicely roasted. Now we will grind the coconut, the khada masala and the onion mixture together. Don't make it super fine. It should be a bit coarse. As you can see here. Now we will see how to make the gravy. For that I am taking 2 medium onions, 2 slit green chilies, 1 large tomato and finely chopped coriander. In a pressure cooker, we will start making the gravy. For that, put some oil in the pressure cooker. After the oil is heated, we'll put the onions. The green chilies. the marinated mutton. Give it a nice stir. If you want, you can add water at this stage. Pressure cook this till we get 6 to 7 whistles. It will totally depend upon the type of meat you are taking. Now you can see it is very nicely cooked. Now we will add the tomatoes. Now also add the grinded masala. Mix everything together. You can see it has got a very nice color. Now once it starts boiling, add the coriander. No need to cook further. We'll put off the flame. So here it is ready. It's looking very nice. You can try it with chapati, bhakri, bread, even plain rice. Do try my recipe. Like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye.